In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the NerdWallet 50-30-20 Budget Calculator. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Once the browser is open, go to the NerdWallet 50-30-20 Budget Calculator page. This calculator is designed to help you quickly understand how your monthly take-home income can be divided using the popular 50-30-20 budgeting method. It's a simple budgeting framework that separates your money into three main categories, making it easier to see how much you may want to spend, save, or reserve for essential expenses. When the page loads, look for the input field where you can enter your total monthly take-home income. This should be the amount of money you actually receive after taxes and deductions, not your full salary before anything is taken out. Enter that monthly amount carefully into the calculator. Taking a moment to double check the number is helpful since the results are based entirely on what you type here. After you enter your income, the calculator will automatically generate a breakdown based on the 50-30-20 rule. You'll then be able to review the suggested amounts for needs, wants, and savings. The needs category represents 50% of your monthly take-home income. This typically includes essential expenses such as housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and other bills you must pay regularly. This section gives you a quick estimate of how much of your income should ideally be reserved for necessities. The wants category represents 30% of your income. This usually covers non-essential spending like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, shopping, streaming services, or travel. Reviewing this amount can help you understand how much flexibility you may have in your monthly spending without interfering with your core financial priorities. The savings category represents the remaining 20%. This can include money set aside for savings goals, emergency funds, retirement contributions, or paying down debt. For many people, this portion is especially useful because it highlights how much should go toward long-term financial stability. As you review the calculator's results, remember that this is meant to be a guideline, not a strict rule. Your real expenses may vary depending on your situation, but this tool gives you a clear starting point for planning your budget more effectively. That's how to use the NerdWallet 50-30-20 budget calculator to get a quick snapshot of how your monthly income can be allocated.